Now, the little girl Tonya, is she me really a talk about? She is getting very bright, a very bright girl. But you see, just like how you did need them the other day, she is going to need Unu, just as how you did need them.
Why? What happened?
She is going to go through a little trial and tribulation. And she might need Unu to support her. Because you find that the forces of evil is very thick. And if you kind of get rid of evil out of this world, it is never going to be an easy job.
Well, one thing we can tell you, boss make sure that you keep it close like a family. So once you need the support, we're gonna do it.
You see, Whisper, what happened to Unu or you the other day was more physical, but what is going to happen to she will be very mental. So she is going to need Unu to be there like a rock for her. PP, club. You understand?
Yes, Shepherd.
No. I must commend you on how you take care of the little girl, your daughter. And I must also commend you on how you're taking the family life serious. I like that. And I must commend you that you have a father-in-law that is hungry and you're going to feed him.
No food not really there now, because Pat's not there. But one food shop over the road, so let me and this thing and grab some.
You is a smart boy. I commend you.
Now,
So how the place are going? When you so finish construction? Wait, how about you say you're gonna move the bar, right?
Yeah. After we put up the retaining wall, then time to move over, but we have to, we have to fix up in there, so because I'm not permanent, we have to move over the bar temporary.
And then the entertainment complex ready. Thank you. So Miss Jen, you plan to do a round robin and then something?
Yeah, man. Weekly parties, round robins, bingo parties, the whole works, you name it.
That sounds good. Want a straw?
Oh boy, she should have give you a straw. Because she know you can't drink the chocolate drink without a straw. That's the problem, one of the biggest problems I have with them young people here. They need to treat everybody as a customer, not because she see you come here and me and you roll and we talk like friends and family. She deal with you like she feel like a friend thing. We need to have to deal with everybody and treat everybody like a customer. Just give me a minute here, Tony, and I'll come.
Alright, listen. My favorite.
Here, Tony. Hold this. Hey, my baby, what's up? Sam.
Well, Miss Jen, end up telling the whole evil with you and King still not forward.
If I understand, Tony, that's a business done and him have a whole heap of
Alright, me pass back one of them there.
I'm not saying it past.
Alright.
Take care.
Yeah. But tell mommy say it's not gonna work out. You reach? Alright, me I come.